In today's video, I'm going to be just showing you basically how to tell from positive and negative, or not how to tell. I'm going to be showing you which one's positive and negative for the LEDs. This one I got from eBay. I think the thing was like $10 for the kit. Don't mind my voice, I lost it. So what we fixed was we fixed PRND, the park indicator lights. Basically what you have to do is you have to heat these guys up. Do not heat it up with like a soldering gun. Make sure you use a torch. It's a lot more better. These guys don't take too much, so I added some soldering to that. If you see any discoloration, like any yellowish, you'll see it kind of like that, as you can see in the whole board. So I fixed that. So right here, this area, I mean, if you wanted to, you could do those, but I didn't see any discoloration there, or right there too as well. So now let's get to the LED bulbs. So I really had to do a lot of research, and I thought this would be a perfect video to show you guys, so that saves you a whole bunch of hassle of looking around. So we're going to start off from right here. This one was a dud, so this one didn't work on this one, so I couldn't tell if it was positive or negative. So one way you can do that is connect the whole cluster and go ahead and just get your diode or indicator, or LED, I'm sorry, and just kind of just spread them out and then swap them back and forth. Nothing will happen, nothing will get damaged if you do it wrong, so just so you're aware. Now, how to tell the difference between positive and negative on these guys, if you haven't already. This one, as you can see, does not have a positive or negative down below, but one way you can tell is that the positive is always longer than the negative on these guys. So remember, positive is longer and negative is shorter, so just so you're aware. So the one on the right side, this little needle, is going to be the positive, and the one right here, the shorter one, is the negative, so we get that clear. All right, so right here on this one, the bottom is going to be positive. So starting from bottom left of the corner, so right here, bottom is going to be positive. And then now let's go over to this guy right next to the stepper motor. Now bottom is going to be positive, and going over here to the next one on the right side of this one, that's going to be positive. And then for right here, the turn signals, customer wanted to do LED on the turn signal. I wouldn't recommend it, but it's all your preference. The top one is positive, and so is the other one is positive. So now for this guy, we are looking at the bottom for being positive, and then this one right here, it's the bottom right is going to be positive. Then this one is going to be positive. The bottom one's going to be positive. And then that one is going to be, the bottom of this one is going to be positive too. And then the top one on this one is going to be positive. So that's really pretty much it. Go ahead and connect the cluster. You can connect it just like this. Make sure everything's all illuminated and all that, and so forth. But yeah, if this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you have any questions, and hit that subscribe button for more upcoming videos in the future. And thanks for watching.